everyone, Hannah here and welcome to Easy Start Tutorials. So for today's tutorial is our own Contact Form Plus app where you can create somewhat of a feedback form or a warranty form or a suggestion form where your customer can leave it in your website. It's basically like a Google form. All right, so how to create the Contact Form Plus app? It's very simple. Let's begin. Okay, to begin on creating the Contact Form Plus app, all you need to do is go to your admin panel, apps, and then app store. So once you're in the app store, you can go ahead and search the apps. You can type in Contact Form Plus and just install this app. Once it is installed, this is how it looks like. You can go ahead and fill out all the contact form settings, the button settings, and the input field. You can choose either short text, long text, multiple choices, checkbox, drop list, drop down list, file attachment. Yes, this can be a multiple type of fields that you want to insert in your form. Then just go ahead, insert the output for this form. You can insert the title, the description, the email, and the email placeholder as well. Go ahead and insert your questions and insert the choices that for your customer to choose. They're all done editing the details. All you need to do is save all settings. All right, so after you have creating the contact form, all you need to do is to add in inside your navigation. Either it will be on your main menu or your quick link footer. It's up to you. So how to do that? Just go on the left hand side here, go to channels, click on online store and navigation. All right, so once in your navigation, you can click on add navigation and choose the display for this navigation. I will choose main menu, and for the navigation type should be link, and then the URL handle should just remain slash and insert this handle. It should be apps/contact/form-plus, and go ahead and give it the navigation name. I will choose feedback form and then publish the date either now or you want to schedule it later, and then save. So let's go ahead and see the results. This is my website that I have created, and I want to show you the feedback form which I navigated on the top bar on the main menu, and then you can just click on the feedback form and this is what it looks like. Okay, the customer can choose options and then they can just submit this form to you. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope this really helps, and if it does, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, or you can check out our related videos here. Thanks for watching. Bye.